How to fix low memory warning on Roblox in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly close all the background app you have open. After close all the background apps, it can help us to decrease your memory, and then open settings and click on general and then click on shutdown and then restart your device. It can fix your minor glitches. After that, open settings again and then click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can delete unused apps. After delete unused apps like Snapchat, then offload your app. After offload your app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.